Did you know that your legs are the first to weaken as you age? In fact, studies show that by the age of 75, 25% of people experience significant leg weakness, often leading to falls and loss of independence. And here's the shocking part, many don't realize that the food they eat can make or break the strength of their legs. But don't worry, it's not too late to start strengthening them. In this video, you'll discover 6 powerful foods that can help restore leg strength, prevent pain, and keep you moving for years to come. We're talking about everyday foods that you probably already have in your kitchen. From reducing muscle cramps to protecting your bones, these foods are your secret weapon to staying active and independent. So, if you want to learn how to keep your legs strong, healthy, and ready for action, stick with me. The best part? These simple changes will make a world of difference. Let's get started. Chapter 1, The Secret to Strong Legs, Fueling Your Foundation. As we age, our legs start to weaken, and it's often the first sign that something might not be right. But here's the good news, with the right food choices, you can strengthen your legs and protect your mobility. The key lies in proper nutrition to keep muscles and bones in top shape. Think of your legs as the foundation of a building. If they're weak, everything else starts to crumble. That's why fueling your legs with the right nutrients is essential. Protein is one of the most important nutrients when it comes to building and repairing muscles. As we get older, we often lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, this can start as early as age 30, but the good news is that muscle loss is preventable with a diet rich in protein. Eating lean meats, beans, and legumes can give your legs the muscle repair they need. For seniors, aiming for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day is ideal. But it's not just about protein. To strengthen your legs, you also need a steady intake of vitamins and minerals. Calcium is a must for strong bones, and magnesium helps muscle function. Without these nutrients, you're more likely to suffer from cramps or bone fractures. Your legs need the right balance of vitamins to keep moving smoothly. Foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges and bell peppers, play an important role in repairing tissues and improving collagen production, which supports your joints. One fact that might surprise you is that inflammation plays a significant role in weakening your legs as you get older. Chronic inflammation can lead to joint pain and stiffness, making it harder to move. The good news is that anti-inflammatory foods can help combat this. Green leafy vegetables, berries, and nuts contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support joint health. Eating more of these can make a world of difference. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, think of your legs as your most valuable asset. Fuel them with the right foods, and you'll be walking stronger, longer. Chapter 2, The Calcium Kick. Keep your bones as strong as oak. When you think about bone health, calcium probably comes to mind first. And you're right to think so. Calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones, especially as we age. The problem is that many older adults don't get enough of it. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, nearly 43% of seniors don't meet the recommended daily intake for calcium. That's a big issue because weak bones increase the risk of fractures, falls, and long-term disability. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are well-known sources of calcium. But if you don't consume dairy, don't worry. Many non-dairy foods are excellent sources of calcium too. Leafy greens like kale, collard greens, and broccoli are packed with calcium. 1 cup of cooked collard greens provides about 250 milligrams of calcium, which is a solid start for your daily intake. You can also find calcium in fortified plant-based milks, tofu, and almonds. The reason calcium is so important is that it works hand in hand with other nutrients to protect your bones. For instance, vitamin D is necessary for calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't use the calcium you eat. The good news is that you can get vitamin D from foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified cereals. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure each day can also give you a natural dose of vitamin D. But that's not all. If you want to maximize your calcium intake, you need to make sure it's being absorbed properly. Magnesium plays a huge role here. This mineral helps your body absorb calcium more effectively and also ensures that calcium stays in your bones, where it belongs. You can get magnesium from foods like spinach, seeds, and avocados. A surprising fact is that eating too much calcium without enough magnesium can actually lead to more problems. Overloading on calcium can cause the mineral to build up in your arteries instead of your bones, which may increase your risk for heart disease. The key is balance. Ensure you're getting enough of both calcium and magnesium to protect your bones and keep your legs strong. The takeaway here? Don't just focus on calcium. Combine it with magnesium, vitamin D, and other bone-boosting nutrients to give your legs the support they need. Chapter 3, the Omega-3 Boost, Fueling Flexibility and Motion. You've probably heard that omega-3 fatty acids are good for your heart, but did you know they can also help your legs? These essential fats have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce joint pain and stiffness, which is especially important for seniors who may experience arthritis or other joint issues. A study published in the journal Arthritis Care and Research found that omega-3 fatty acids could significantly reduce the pain and stiffness associated with osteoarthritis. If you've ever felt achy after a long walk or found it harder to move in the morning, omega-3s could be your answer. They work by reducing the inflammation that causes pain and improving joint lubrication. The best source of omega-3s is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. You can get omega-3s from plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These are great options for vegetarians and vegans, and they can help keep your legs moving with less pain. In addition to reducing inflammation, omega-3s can also improve your circulation, which is essential for strong, healthy legs. Better circulation means that your muscles and joints are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong and flexible. This can also help reduce the risk of blood clots and varicose veins, both common issues for older adults. Studies show that seniors who consume higher amounts of omega-3s tend to have better mobility and lower rates of muscle loss. In fact, research from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that omega-3s can help preserve muscle mass and prevent sarcopenia, the loss of muscle that often comes with aging. To make sure you're getting enough omega-3s, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week or add ground flax seeds or chia seeds to your smoothies or salads. Omega-3 supplements are also an option, but always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement routine. The bottom line is this: omega-3s are an easy and effective way to boost your leg health, improve flexibility, and keep your muscles and joints in top shape. Make them a regular part of your diet, and watch your legs grow stronger and more flexible with time. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on living a long, healthy life. Chapter 4, Vitamin D, Your Sunshine for Stronger Legs. Vitamin D is one of the most important nutrients for maintaining strong legs as you age. It plays a key role in helping your body absorb calcium, which is essential for healthy bones. Without enough vitamin D, calcium just can't do its job. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people with low levels of vitamin D are more likely to experience fractures and falls. The most natural way to get vitamin D is through sun exposure. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight per day can provide your body with the vitamin D it needs. However, many seniors may not be getting enough sun, especially in the winter months. That's when it's important to turn to foods and supplements for help. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources of vitamin D for a plant-based option. Mushrooms exposed to sunlight also contain vitamin D. Fortified foods, such as milk, orange juice, and cereals, can also give you a boost. It's important to include these foods in your diet regularly to ensure your body has the vitamin D it needs. A surprising fact is that vitamin D doesn't just help with bone strength, it also plays a role in muscle function. In fact, low levels of vitamin D have been linked to muscle weakness and an increased risk of falling. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that seniors with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to have trouble getting up from a chair or walking across a room. These small movements can be a big challenge if your muscles are weak. Taking a vitamin D supplement is often necessary, especially if you live in areas with limited sun or have difficulty absorbing the vitamin. The National Institutes of Health recommends 800 to 1,000 IU of vitamin D per day for seniors. It's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your meals and getting some sun each day can make a big difference in your leg strength and overall mobility. It's an easy and natural way to keep your legs healthy as you age. Chapter 5, The Magnesium Miracle, Unlocking Muscle Power and Endurance. Magnesium is often overlooked when it comes to leg health, but it's a powerhouse mineral that helps support muscle function and bone health. Did you know that nearly 50% of the population is magnesium deficient? The National Institutes of Health found that magnesium deficiency is linked to muscle cramps, weakness, and even leg spasms. For seniors, these issues can impact mobility and overall quality of life. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, many of which are related to muscle function. It helps muscles contract and relax, preventing cramping and stiffness. If you've ever woken up with painful leg cramps in the middle of the night, magnesium could be the key to easing those aches. Magnesium also supports bone health, which is essential for preventing falls and fractures. In fact, research shows that magnesium is just as important as calcium when it comes to building and maintaining strong bones. It helps regulate calcium levels in your body and aids in the absorption of calcium into your bones. Foods like spinach, almonds, and black beans are excellent sources of magnesium. Magnesium is also essential for energy production, which means it helps fuel your muscles so you can stay active longer. Whether it's walking, climbing stairs, or stretching, magnesium helps keep you going. Seniors who are deficient in magnesium may feel more fatigued and less motivated to move. One interesting fact is that magnesium has been shown to improve sleep quality. For seniors, getting a good night's rest is key for muscle recovery and leg strength. Studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can help improve sleep quality, which in turn can help muscles recover and stay strong. To boost your magnesium intake, aim for foods like leafy greens, seeds, nuts, and whole grains. Adding these foods to your diet can help improve muscle function, reduce cramps, and enhance your overall leg strength. If you find that you're still experiencing muscle cramps or weakness, talk to your doctor about taking a magnesium supplement. It's a simple and effective way to unlock your muscles' full potential and keep your legs strong for years to come. Chapter 6: Collagen, the leg strengthening protein you've been missing. Collagen is a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy joints, ligaments, and tendons. As we age, our body's collagen production naturally declines, which can lead to joint pain, stiffness, and even difficulty walking. For seniors, this decline can significantly impact leg strength and mobility. The good news? Collagen can be replenished with the right foods and supplements. Collagen is a key building block in the tissues that support your legs. It helps keep your tendons and ligaments strong and flexible, which is crucial for mobility. Research shows that collagen supplementation can help reduce joint pain and improve the health of cartilage, which is the cushion in your joints. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that collagen peptides can help rebuild cartilage and reduce the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Bone broth is one of the best natural sources of collagen. It's rich in gelatin, which breaks down into collagen when cooked. You can make bone broth at home or buy it pre-made. Drinking a cup or two a day can provide a significant collagen boost. Other foods that promote collagen production include chicken skin, fish with skin, and eggs. But what if you don't enjoy these collagen-rich foods? Collagen supplements are a great alternative. Collagen peptides in powder or capsule form are easy to incorporate into your diet. Just add them to your morning coffee, smoothies, or soups. Research shows that collagen supplements can improve joint health and reduce pain in just a few weeks. Collagen is also essential for maintaining the strength and flexibility of your skin, which helps you stay mobile. As we age, our skin becomes thinner and less elastic. Collagen helps support skin integrity, and by boosting collagen levels, you can support your legs and joints while maintaining overall skin health. One interesting fact is that vitamin C plays a key role in collagen production. To boost your collagen levels, pair collagen-rich foods with foods high in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen more effectively, giving your legs the strength and flexibility they need. Collagen supplementation is an easy and effective strategy to keep your legs strong and flexible. Whether you choose food sources or supplements, making collagen a regular part of your diet can improve your mobility, reduce pain, and help you move with ease. By incorporating collagen into your diet, you're supporting not just your legs but your overall joint health. It's a powerful nutrient that helps you stay active and maintain your independence as you age. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on living a long, healthy life.